And why colors like mocha, olive green are honestly more than just trends. They're actually a mindset. So let's get right into it. While I do my makeup, let's talk about the fall fashion and your makeup strategy. By the way, this product, it is the bomb. I just bought it in Amazon and literally will make your skin glow like there's no tomorrow. Do you know what I love about fall fashion? Is that literally everything slows down. So this fall season, I'm not asking what's in. I am actually asking what is right on me. And here's the secret. You can wear the most simple outfit and still look iconic. Like think about leather next to a knit, wool and satin, like a rugged edge with something smooth. I do always say that accessories are not just ornaments or not for decoration. They actually anchor your whole image. Like when I put on a ring or like a gold chain, or even like my favorite leather bag. Try this, just pick one accessory that it feels like you. Something that's gonna ground you before you leave the house. And that's confidence, gotta tell you. Because I know some of you and see me and think, like, Georgie, how the hell do you pull that off? And here's the truth. It is not about pulling it off. It's about allowing it. I love warm, natural tones. They're so easy. And it goes, honestly, with a lot of different color outfits. Like I feel like most people look good with a beautiful neutral eyeshadow, like brown, beigey colors. Not a lot, you're not trying too hard. And I love it. I love a good basic eyeshadow just to kind of shade my eyes a little bit. Create that warmth. Think about Starbucks, that beautiful coffee color around your eyes. Just like a little flush, just like a little wash, something simple. And I like to also illuminate a little bit under my brow to kind of lift my eye just a little. And a little highlighter in this corner. I did not sleep well last night, so that's gonna actually make me look a little bit more rested. And that's it, just a little glam, just a little femme, but not trying way too hard. Think about mocha lids, like a bronzy glow. For example, just add just a little bit of this tint bronze all over your face, not a lot, just a little glow. And you can use whatever brand you wanna use. This is not sponsored by anybody, so don't feel pressure to buy whatever brand I'm recommending. Whatever works for you, works for you. I don't care. Not dry lips. I know this is the dry season. Things are gonna get dry. Hydration is so important. And also make sure you're not falling behind and you are paying attention to your skincare routine. There's no beautiful makeup with dry, ugly skin. It just doesn't work. What we are doing here is enhancing our own natural beauty. I know my eyes are one of my strong traits, so I like to work my eyes just a little bit more by lining my eyes. Don't overdo it, but don't underdo it either. And I want to make something very, very clear. Makeup, it's not about freaking gender. I am over that shit. Makeup is for everybody. It is for men, it's for the gays, it's for the straights, it's for the woman. It's for anybody. It is about how you express yourself. And think about it like as an art form. It is just art. I don't understand what's the big deal of it. My God, everything has to be so political these days. Ugh. If it makes you feel like your best self, then wear it with proudly. Why not? You know what? I got inspired so much right now by these words. I'm going to add a little bit of gold. Just a little bit. I just saw it on the eyeshadow palette. Like, a little bit of gold is fine. A little bit there, why not? How beautiful. So play with the golds, the beige, the browns, and look how pretty. And I don't think it's a lot, it's just a little bit, and it just makes a world of a difference. Here's what I've learned. Style, it is not about the clothes you wear. It's about having that inner conversation with yourself when you're getting dressed. If you start a day thinking, I don't know if I can pull this off, oh, I look too fat or too old or too this or too that, you're bringing doubt to your day. And there's nothing sexy about someone that it is uncertain around life. Confidence is sexy. It is the best accessory you can wear. And you gotta believe in yourself. Do it for you. Write this down. Don't you ever walk out of the door giving your power away. And you know that fall, it is the perfect season to stop doing that. So I want that you start wearing what makes you feel aligned, sexy, and powerful. No excuses. I don't want to hear it. Feel powerful, feel iconic. I'm giving you permission. I'm adding a little glow above my cheekbone, just a tad, not too much. However, I think the fall season is great just to add a little extra shimmer, especially when the skin starts to get a little drier. So I always recommend having makeup and having skincare that you adapt and adjust during these two seasons, summer and fall. So not every product works the same all year round. If they're telling you that, they're lying to you. Time to line our lips just a little. This is a perfect look that you can wear every single day during fall. Anybody can do this. You see, in a few minutes, I just did my makeup and it's so easy. It's not over the top. And it's something that it makes you feel empowered. I do feel empowered when I wear my makeup. The day that I don't wear my makeup, the way that I don't get dressed, I just don't feel the same. I feel that I am not as productive. This year is about to end, and make sure that right now you're preparing for the next year. To become wealthy, to become more beautiful, to become healthier, and the best version of you. Thank you so much for spending this little time with me. So glad that you're here and choosing style with intention. So I want that you comment right there below what it is your favorite tone for the fall season. Is it like mocha? Is it the chestnut? Olive? I really want to know what's grounding you this season. I'm Georgie Miller and this is the Icon series. When your image becomes your voice, your power, and your statement. Love you all so much. See you next video. Bye guapos. And don't forget the heels.